guys, my name is Nevo, and my project was about how phytoplankton and zooplankton was affected before and after heavy rainfall events. So if you look over here, we had very high fluorescence levels, as shown through June 10th and June 23rd. Now, for the fluorescence levels, they are compared to phytoplankton. They read how much phytoplankton are abundant in our waters. And it was very cool to see because we had very sunny days for a long time. And then after July 7th, it was a very heavy rainfall day. We had 6.23 inches of rain. And that necessarily just flushed everything out. And we could see that through here. On July 7th, our fluorescence levels, they completely dropped. And it was very cool to see this because we had phytoplankton that were different before and after. So before the heavy rain, we had tons of Delphospermum, which are these guys right here. And they didn't necessarily dwindle down, but after the rainfall event, we had tons of Ornicinia. So these guys right here. Now these guys were always present, but after the rain, they started picking up more, and they started being more eye-catching, more relevant in our studies. Now throughout all of this rain, we always had zooplankton as well. So these guys right here, rotifers, they were constantly in our studies. So through this yellow, you can see that they were always there and they never completely disappeared, which was also very cool. And as July 7th occurred, we had basically no phytoplankton, but it still was the most most abundant microorganism in our waters, which is very cool to see. And it's important to know about this because ideally a lot of phytoplankton could result in harmful algal blooms. And it's cool to study about this.